Attention car enthusiasts, we have something unique and intriguing to share with you, even though it's a departure from our usual content. Electric cars are dominating headlines, but what if we told you there's a way to transform a regular bicycle into an electric one with a simple device? Enter Scarper, a revolutionary creation by Red Bull Advanced Technologies, RBAT, and a brilliant British inventor. Scarper is a compact, 4-kilogram device that attaches to the rear wheel of almost any standard bike equipped with disc brakes, instantly giving it an electric boost. Inside the 34-centimeter-long unit lies a 240 Wh battery coupled with a 250 W motor. What sets Scarper apart is its innovative gearbox integrated into the disc drive replacement rear brake disc. This gearbox allows the brakes to function normally while delivering torque to the rear wheel through the hub, enhancing strength, reliability, and efficiency. Thanks to RBAT's Formula One expertise, the operation is simple. Power is delivered to the bike through the chain on one side, while the Scarper unit provides a boost on the other. The level of assistance is determined by sensors attached to the pedal arm and an inclinometer within the device, which monitor terrain conditions. Scarper began as a lockdown project but quickly gained momentum, with six-time Olympic champion Sir Chris Hoy being one of its initial investors. Dr. Alistair Darwood, a biomedical specialist who collaborated with RBAT on ventilators during the COVID-19 pandemic, spearheads the project. The claimed range is up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles on a single charge, with a quick 2.5-hour recharge time. Its convenient detachable design allows for easy installation and removal in seconds, making it ideal for commuting. A perfect solution for transforming your regular bike into an electric one for daily rides while keeping a simpler bike parked for longer periods.